Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm going to show you how to update the clock on an MV Agusta F3. This is an 800 model, but I believe most of them are the same. So first off, come around to the riding position on the bike. Turn the ignition on one click and let it go through its checks. Once you get to the standard screen, we're going to use two buttons, OK and Settings, found on the left hand controller. Press Settings once, get to traction control, twice lap timer, 3 times quick shifter, 4 times clock settings. Then press OK. You'll now see the clock settings flashing. Now it's 12:45 here, so we're going to change the first one to 12, so press OK once and then hold it in for up to 5 seconds. When you release, it will jump over to the minutes hand, and we're going to take that to 45 by pressing the OK button. Once you get there, hold it in for again another 5 seconds. When you release, that has now updated the time. Press Settings once, and that gets you back to your standard riding screen. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.